Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. If you're new, welcome. I'm Cheryl. So in today's video I was searching for new makeup releases and I found something in my local Walgreens from NYX. So I was excited. I was surprised that they had a holiday collection so early, but I wanted to try it out just in case because it looked pretty. It has lavender purpley colors and I love those colors, so I wanted to show you. So if you want to see how I did this look using that palette, keep on watching. So I was searching around to see if I found anything new, since here in Puerto Rico none of the major drugstores like Walmart and Walgreens, they don't really bring a lot of makeup products. Not every makeup brand out there that you see in the States, well, here is very limited. So I was searching to see if I found anything new and I found just one thing really. And I went to many different Walgreens and 2 Walmarts and I wasn't lucky. It seems like every time I go, the makeup section gets smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to order everything online. I can never purchase anything in the store anymore. So I didn't know NYX came out with a holiday collection so early. It's called the Gimme Superstars collection and it brings a whole bunch of stuff which I didn't know. And it brings lip glosses, like a mini kit of lip glosses, and matte lipsticks, another mini set. They have a jumbo pencil eyeliner set and they have some palettes. And they have the 5-pan palettes, and at that Walgreens they only had this one. This is the only one they had. Am I super excited when I saw this? Not really. Not really, because I mean it looks pretty with the stars and everything. I like that, but I'll tell you why. There's only one matte in here. There's only one matte here, which is this one. Everything else is shimmer. I don't know about you, but I like more mattes than shimmers in my palettes because I feel like I could get more use out of, you know, I don't really need that much shimmers to do an eye look. I need more mattes than shimmers. So I'm trying to think, what am I gonna do with this? I think I have a look in mind. Hopefully it turns out okay. So we'll see. I'm gonna insert some swatches that I just took of these to show you what they look like. Hopefully by the end of the video, I will fall in love with this palette. I went first with this shade. Oh, and I didn't tell you the palette. This palette is called Crystal Flex. That's what it says here. I don't know. And it says, cannot be used on or around the eye area because they're pressed pigments, all 5 shades. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to use that middle shade first, the lavender one, and see. I don't remember if I used a NYX eyeshadow palette in the past. I think I did, but it was so long ago. I can't remember if I liked it or not. But if I did try it, and I don't really remember nothing about it, it's probably because I didn't like it. Oh, this is nice. That is nice. That's very pigmented. That's pretty. Has anybody heard of this palette yet? Because I didn't know. Why do I never know anything? I'm gonna deepen everything, the outer corner, with this one. And since this is a shimmer, nothing is coming on. I really have to do that to get something out of the pan. This is why I prefer more mattes than shimmer. It's fine for a palette to have 1 or 2 or even 3, as long as you have more mattes. At least for me, it works better. So how have you been? What's new with you? It's gonna take 10 years. I wonder if I do it with my finger. Oh yeah, that's working way better. I'm doing it like this because the other way was gonna take a long time to build it up. And it's a pretty color, it's just it doesn't work with the brush. Or at least with the brush that I was using. Maybe if I use like a smudge brush, it'll be better. Let me try that way. I have a feeling I'm gonna need glitter primer for this, and that's why I'm gonna use their glitter primer, because I want to use that shimmer right there. I'm gonna use this one. Just do it with my finger, even though with my finger I can't get precise. With the finger it works better. Imagine if you had long nails, you won't be able to use it. So for my lower lash line, I'm gonna try to use all of them. I've used 3 so far. I need to use these 2 right here. I'm gonna take this one first and put it in the outer corner over here. Clean that brush up and use the last one in the inner part. Let me take an angle brush and take that dark shade, put it really close to the lower lash line. Let's see if it actually picks up the product. Oh my gosh, I have a whole bunch of fallout. A whole bunch. Let me try to clean that up, fix my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I finished the rest of my face. What do you think? The colors are pretty. I have no complaints with the colors. It's just that some of them are really hard. First of all, I need more mattes. Just personal preference, I know, but for me in particular, I prefer more mattes. I love shimmers, but I gotta have more mattes. And this only has 1 matte, which that matte worked perfect. It's like the best formula there. The other shimmers, well, you saw I couldn't really use the brush for this one, and I really had to build it up a lot. Then this one, you can't use it with the brush either. You have to use your fingers, and when you use your fingers, it's really pretty and it stays on really well. I like that color a lot, but I like shimmers that I could use brushes or your finger. These 2 are pretty much the same. They're all the same, really. They work the same. It's just you have to build it up a lot. Except for the matte. The matte has pigment right off the bat, and it's easy to blend. It's one of those palettes you have to take your time to build it up. And like I said, I want more mattes. I'm a matte girl. So am I happy that I purchased this? Well, first of all, it's a holiday collection, and this doesn't really, like, I see this and it doesn't give me holiday vibes. Is it just me? It has pretty colors, I admit that. You just have to build it up. I'm like split in 2 with this one. I really don't know yet what to think. You let me know what you think of this palette. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you can. Click the like button. That really helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. Hello! I don't know why that came out like Mrs. Doubtfire. Not every makeup brand, not my life. And matte lip gloss. Hello guys, welcome back to my... You didn't see that. None of the major drugstores. I have a feeling tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. I'm not going anywhere. So it's not gonna be a good night. Cheers. The dog is scratching the door.